Welcome to Java Noodles. This video helps you to understand what exactly is a command line argument. In the Java programming structure itself, you might be wondering what is the purpose of this particular statement. String args, you have the square brackets, and this represents command line arguments that you can pass while executing or while you give the instruction to run this Java program. And all the command line arguments will be accepted as a string. That means all the command line arguments that you will be passing to a program will be considered as a string. Args is considered as an array of string. So you will be having different section and it will be dynamically allocating the different values. For example, you can give a command line argument as Java noodles. These are considered as two different strings which is passed to the Java program. Each of these values in this command line argument is identified with the help of index position, and this will be automatically allocating the space according to the number of command line arguments you have. Let's see a demo. So I have a Java program with the command line arguments args, and I'm trying to print the value at 0th index of the command line argument. So in order to give the value while giving the execution command, first I need to compile the program just to make sure that there is no error. And if there is no error, you can execute the program using the command java space test.java. And along with that, after a space, you can give any values. In this example, I'm going to give only one name. So when I press the enter key, you can see that it is printing the value that I gave through the command line argument. So Java is stored indirectly in args variable, and then it will be printed. Args is considered as an array, not a single variable. It can store multiple values or multiple strings. So what will happen if we have more than one values in command line argument? So if you have multiple value, as you can see here, it is clearly mentioned that the second value will be at the index position 1. If you have a third value, it will be there in the second index. So starting from 0, the index can keep on growing. Moving on to the program. So I'm just trying to print the value in the second index, and first I will compile the program, and while executing I'm giving the values java space noodles. So when I press the enter key, you can see that it is printing the word noodles. That means noodles is the second argument passed to the command line argument, and I am using the index 1 to access the second word. What will happen if you give a number as a command line argument? So instead of using Java noodles, what will happen if you give the number 12 as a command line argument? So first we will compile the program, and while executing, instead of Java, I am giving the number 12. So when I press the enter key, you can see that 12 is getting printed. But the question is it is number 12 or it is a string? As you can see, command line argument will always be considered as a string. So when you try to add a value with args of 0, then you will be getting a concatenation. That means this 2 will be combined with 12 as a string. So let's see what will be the output. The result is 122. That means you are merging 12 as a string with 2. So it is concatenating the two values and it is printing it. Thank you.